Can you imagine if you were able to manipulate your brokerage account into allowing you to leverage however much money you wanted to invest in the stock market, essentially creating an infinite money glitch? Well, people are doing just that using Robinhood. So this cheat code was found on Reddit in a subreddit called Wall Street Bets. And what has happened since then has been a quick circumnavigation across the internet spreading this story. Now, one Redditor was claiming that he took a $1 million position in a stock after using a measly $4,000 deposit. And a Robinhood spokesperson says that the company is now aware of the isolated situations and is communicating directly with customers. So it's going to be interesting to see how Robinhood responds to all this and what is going to be the future update of the application. Now, you might be asking yourself, what the heck? How does this happen? How does Robinhood allow this to happen? What is going to happen with these leverages? And then how do you even leverage your account? Should I like this video? And the answer to that question is yes, you should. But more specifically, talking about the Robinhood aspect of this, let's go into how this exactly works. Now, I think this does a very good job of breaking down exactly how this works. So with Robinhood Gold, you can use what's called margin to trade with increased buying power. So if you do an instant deposit of $2,000, which is the minimum required amount to access the gold level trading, then you buy 100 shares of something like AMD for $3,800 or so with margin. Then you can sell it for a call contract with a $2 price strike to get almost all of the money back. And it's important to find a stock that has a call option with such a low strike price like Ford or GE or many others. So then you will use the money to buy 200 shares of AMD or whatever you bought into, and the margin doubles the buying power. Then you sell the 2 call contracts with the same $2 strike price to get almost all of your money back, and then you double it again and again thanks to Robinhood's margin. So you just basically repeat this until you are at a risk tolerance that you are okay with. So for this specific person, it was 25 times leverage, so they had $2,000 in instant deposits and they got it up to, I believe, around $50,000. So that is absolutely insane that the Robinhood app didn't really think this feature through, and it's going to be interesting to see what resolves from all of this stuff here. But this leads me to the question, do people actually think that they're going to get away with essentially taking all of this money from Robinhood and have no repercussions? I mean, there's already videos of people who have used this investing strategy and lost all of their money doing it. Here's one, for example, I'll display on the screen. This guy had invested in Apple using this strategy and proceeded to lose it all immediately. So, I mean, I don't know what to say about all this stuff. It's just absolutely absurd. I would never find myself in this situation because I know I would be in the same boat as this guy right here and lose all of my money. But anyway, one Georgetown University professor by the name of Donald Langvert told Bloomberg that traders using this bug could be held liable for their cash and guilty of securities fraud. So it's not something to be joking around about. If you heard about this stuff and wanted to do it, I would urge you to stay away from doing so just because of the repercussions that might happen from it. Now, he also said that participating users may need to follow the basic law of restitution and pay back the borrowed cash. So, I mean, just come on, common sense, don't really benefit yourself from stealing other people's money or taking away from others. The thing is, margin trading is common amongst many brokerage firms. It works by allowing traders to borrow money to buy stocks, and the purchaser of a stock puts down a percentage and the brokerage then becomes the lender. However, the malfunction is in Robinhood's service, which allows its users to overstate the amount of money that was in their account. Now, if you do a quick search online to find out more information about this, you can see there are a ton of different sources. I'm definitely going to link some down below so you guys can get exactly what you want out of this story. But I mean, this is just absurd. This is, can you imagine? People are having millions and millions of dollars in their trading accounts from this exploit, and I just hope it all goes over smoothly. These people don't actually lose all of their money and have to owe it all back. I don't know how it's all going to work logistics wise. Let me know down below in the comment section, what do you guys think about all of this news? So I think it's funny, I've already seen a couple different memes rolling through about this stuff, and I'm just interested to see where this heads in the future and all the different memes and things that's going to happen from this. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like, hit that subscribe button. I talk about the stock market, my tips, tricks, and insight into it. If you want to increase the size of your portfolio and you just want to talk more about stocks and gain more knowledge about it, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you can be alerted when new videos come out. Thanks, guys.